Hello and welcome, hope you're having a wonderful day. The Recordable Freesat 4K Set Top Box uses an internal hard drive to enable you to record, pause and playback live TV. Like all hard drives, they can fail. If your Recordable Freesat 4K Set Top Box starts to miss recordings, then this may be the first indication that the hard drive is failing. The box may also display a "something is wrong" warning screen when powering up. Here you are given the options to reboot, delete recordings or ignore. But if the hard drive is failed, then you will continue to see the "something is wrong" warning screen when powering up. So the only option available is to replace the failed hard drive with a new working hard drive. For this you will need a replacement hard drive, for which there's a link in the description below, a hex security bit and a Stanley knife. Turn the set-top box upside down. Using the hex security bit, undo the two screws, one of which is under the warranty seal, so you will be voiding any warranty on the box. Slide the knife around the top of the box, you can loosen the cover. And you can locate the hard drive, which is easy to find as there's not much in the box. You remove the stabilising rubber feet from the hard drive. You disconnect the hard drive from the SATA cable. You can connect the new hard drive to the SATA cable. Attach the stabilising rubber feet. Put the cover back on the top of the box and press gently to snap it on securely. Turn the box over and tighten the screws. You can then reconnect the box to the satellite cable, HDMI to the TV and to the power. You can then wait for the box to reboot. The box should reboot fine without the "something is wrong" warning screen and back to live TV. Here you can check the hard drive is working by pausing the live TV and setting up a recording. Please place a like if you found the information in this video useful, and hit that subscribe button to be notified of future video releases and to help the channel grow. Thank you.